Hi, this is Kylie Coo. Welcome to my studio. So I've not made a sudden recovery from my broken wrist, but I have actually found some footage stored on my computer that I hadn't got round to editing and publishing. So around 4 months ago or so, I put up a video called Gel Printing Scrap Papers. It followed on from me having kind of organised a lot of my scrap papers. And I did say in that video that I would be back with some more videos relating to scraps, almost like a kind of mini series. And obviously part of that is working in my little scrap journal. But in this video I am taking those papers that I made in the gel printing scrap papers video and I'm doing some kind of mark making on them. Now I'll do these with a kind of white paint pen, a black paint pen, I think I use a red China marker and also some paint. So this is just about, again, bringing more interest to this set of papers so that I can use them in collage, etc. Now I do have more footage after this, so I will bring you this in another week's time. But meantime, I'm still going to be doing some work on my iPad, doing digital work while I'm laid up with my broken wrist. So I don't think I need to say really an awful lot more about it. You'll have seen me making these kind of marks before, but I'm really pleased with the way that these little papers turn out. I do tear some of them up, I keep some of them in larger pieces, and in the next video you will see what I do kind of next with them. It might kind of surprise you a bit. So I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking over this, I'm just going to put some music onto it. So I hope you can just kind of either sit back and relax, or if you're in your studio or in your craft room, that you can perhaps just kind of play along with me as I make these little marks on these papers. So I'll pop back in at the end, but meantime I hope you enjoy the kind of quiet music.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio, on gravel he would drive real slow. He told me let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. With branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. We hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake, the jet plane still feel it even now. On the graves, in the cracks of 1,000 leaves, somewhere in between our past and our future, rolling over all the dividing things. Are you still listening? Want to be heard by you? Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be lead. When it's morning and my soul is clear, I look in the mirror and I see that love rolling over. You call me back to bed, I find myself again staring at the edge. Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be. I rise a child again, wake up a wild wind takes me there. I rise a child again, wake up a wild wind takes me there. Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be. I rise a child again, I wake up a wild wind takes me there. Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue.
So honestly, watching this makes me yearn to be back at my work table with my hands covered in paint, in fact sometimes almost up to my elbows in paint. But you know, I will be there at some point in the not too distant. So if you watched to this point, I really do hope that you've enjoyed it. I kind of enjoyed just seeing me creating them in this way again, and you know, as I say, look forward to it again in future. So thanks ever so much for watching. Do, if you haven't already, then please do take a look at my digital creations, because you know, I'm doing things where they can also be done in a more traditional way, but it's just my way of kind of keeping in with my art practice while I'm kind of laid up with a broken wrist. So thanks ever so much for watching. I do greatly appreciate it. Do take care. Bye for now.